Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off applications permissions to use our localization. So we need to go to settings, then location, and here we have apps permissions. By default there are some that have access to our location and we can add more or remove some, but to turn off single application we just need to tap it once, do not allow, back out, that's all. As you can see, not allowed. But if you want no applications to be able to use our location, we just need to tap this button right here, and now there is no application that can use our location at all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.